Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your background in the latest Zoom app. So if you want to level up your Zoom meetings with a cool virtual background, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your background in the latest Zoom update. So here, what you need to do is just launch the Zoom applications on your phone. As you guys can see, the name itself is changed from Zoom into Zoom Workplace. So there are also some changes in the feature. And in here, let's just start a new meeting to show you how you can change the background now. You can tap on start a meeting. Okay, so it's still connecting.